Am I audible, Harsh?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
I'm so sorry. I just okay, perfect. Since I'm traveling, so I'm so sorry if you might be facing some background noise. So yeah, I was urging
No,
you all firstly to please turn on your cameras because it doesn't feel nice to talk like this, right?
no problem, sir. No problem.
Which any individual should maybe know more about. And the best part about this particular course is you are going to get yourself in touch with one of those experts who actually deal in these areas and you understand anyway help you get it done. I'm so sorry if my voice is not clear. First, general set format
Yes, sir.
that we ask all the participants to maybe introduce themselves. Number one. Number two, what are their expectations from the course? And number three, what are their educational background in the area? So these are some of the
Yes,
set parameters on which we actually get to know that from where they hail from. I believe that Rajesh sir is one of those participants who has already joined. So thank you so much, sir, that you are continuously being with us. That means a lot. And apart from that, there are also some participants I see that they are repeating our courses. I really feel nice. I feel that's a success thing. And also, I would want you to introduce our speaker, Kaushal sir, so that people get to know about him. And then you can follow the ahead things. All right?
thanks. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your kind
All right.
words.
All right.
Uh, Today's faculty speaker is Kaushal Pal Singh, sir. We are honored to have him as our faculty speaker. He is a BLLB graduate from Aligarh Muslim University and from the same university and is currently pursuing PhD. He is also qualified NET GRF teacher, a GRF candidate, and also has given interview uh, for the Judicial Services Examination in 2022. We are honored to have you, sir, here, and I would like to over it to you. Thank you, sir.
So it's my turn.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please take it. Yes, sir.
So welcome to all. And first of all, I will very thankful to the organizer, Mr. Pranav Jha, and the moderator, Harsh Gaurav, for to uh, give their invaluable support for to conduct this program and make it possible in a very short period of time. So, as Harsh has already introduced myself, I am Kaushal Pal Singh. I have graduation from Aligarh Muslim University, and I also my masters from the same university. And currently, I am pursuing PhD, and I have qualified NET GRF in 2022 December. So I will continue with this program and will explore all the concepts of the family law regarding the current scenario and to deal with in details. So there will be today it will be an interaction class. So we will deal the foundational principles of basic Hindu law. If we will get a time after your introduction. So now all the
Thank
participants
you, sir. Thank
would
you, sir.
give their introduction. I get it. Okay.
Yes. I would like to ask all the participants to just open your cameras and I will, if you all agree to introduce one by one with for each other, or I will just ask you uh, announce your names and you can introduce yourselves. Please turn on the cameras.
Maybe you can go alphabetically,
We'll
or number
start.
two, you can do one thing that whoever is raising their hands,
Yeah.
whoever are raising their hands, maybe we can prioritize them, or maybe you can go alphabetically.
Yes, sir. Okay. Nil- Nilanchala Shetty. You can go first. tell us your name and what is the purpose of you joining this course and where are you from?
Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible. Yes, sir.
Myself, Dr. Niranjan Sethi from Barampur, Odisha. I have complete my
Yes, sir.
after complete my postgraduate from political science. I study my I started my legal career from 2002. Complete LLB, LLM 2005 and 2007, and pursue my PhD. Registered my PhD in the year of 2008. Awarded Rajiv Gandhi National Fellowship in the year of 2009, and qualified NET in the year of 2012. Awarded my PhD in the year of 2015. From 2015 to till now, I am engaged as a faculty in Lingaraj Law College and also Barampur University PG Department Law. My area of interest is constitutional law, environmental law, and also personal law and jurisprudence.
Thank you so much, sir. We are very glad to have you in this session, and we'll be happy to be with you in the whole course. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Veera Solanki.
I'm so sorry, I'm not able to switch on my camera because of a glitch. So, hi everybody. Namaste, I'm Veera. I'm a first year law student at DES Naval Malfirodia Law College, that's in Pune. Okay, I joined this course because I wanted to gain some insights on family law. Also, I did a previous course with LRA on contract drafting with Ritu ma'am. She taught us, so it was great, and I'm hoping to learn a lot. Thank you so
Thank
much.
Very much. I also hope that you keep on joining other courses also which are coming in the loop. And if you find maybe used to it, you can also recommend your peers for that matter. Thank you for joining the
Sure,
session.
sure, sure. Thank you so much.
Shweta
Hi, good evening, everyone.
Vamadeva.
Yes, Shweta Vamadeva. Yeah, good evening.
Yeah,
It's very
sorry.
nice to see people at 8 p.m., joining for a class. That's very interesting. I come from a corporate background. I've been a brand consultant for about 18 years, traveled around, worked around, and the purpose of joining the course is to, I have a lot of personal things to deal with. I am involved in a couple of personal cases, and that's one of the reasons why I'm joining. And I have no understanding of law whatsoever, but this is more for my understanding of how to deal with law and how to deal with lawyers and how to deal with the court. That's the reason why I'm here, and also to understand what really are the legalities of the case. And the expectation from the course is to educate myself as much as possible about you know the judiciary system itself. I know I can't do it in such a small time, but the reason why I've chosen this particular course is to be able to understand from the perspective of my case, so that it's I could understand the system through the case. That's the whole idea, and I'm really looking forward to this, because this is also my first time. And
Thank you so
other
much.
thing I want to tell you is my husband has also joined your course, and his name is Gagan, and he is in the corporate law classes. So
Yeah,
we've like
yeah.
family enrollment has happened, and thank you so much for it.
That's
Thank you
great
so
to
much,
know,
ma'am.
ma'am. It really feels nice because I feel that it is of maybe such nature that is suiting needs of different priorities. That's so nice that we are fitting into it. And number two, I also wish that at least you attain a domain knowledge about the area, and that can be utilized in your personal life if possible also. So thank you so much, ma'am, for joining.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Anoop, Anoop, Anoop PA, you can introduce yourself. Anoop, okay. Bhavna, kindly please on your cameras, please. It will be very nice to just see your faces. Yes, Smriti Singh. Yes, please.
Hello, everybody. Very good
Good evening.
evening. Yeah, first of all, I would like to say that my call might drop because I'm traveling right now. I will cut short my introduction. I hail from West Bengal. I just completed my LLB, and yes, I'm here for gaining some knowledge about the family. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Kartike Bharadwaj. Mr. Kartike Bharadwaj. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes, you
Am I
can.
audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible. Yes,
Okay,
continue.
sir. Good evening to all. My name is Karthike Bharadwaj, and I'm currently pursuing my LLB from ICFA University, Dehradun, and I have a subject of Hindu law in my first semester. So I'm just gaining some experience, and also I am doing a parallel research course with LRA itself, which is ongoing in environmental law. Shikha ma'am is the supervisor over there,
Yeah.
and I will also recommend my friends to do this. Thanks.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Karthike, that we are being used to you. Uh, so yeah, go ahead. Thank you.
Manoj Chaudhary. Manoj Chaudhary. Yeah. See,
Mind you, whose name is
you
being called out, please be available to respond at
will
least.
Mayuri Rao. Mayuri Rao, are you present here? Mithinam Jammu. See, this introduction is for you guys only because it will be helpful and you just connect on the mutual level and it will be highly appreciated. Yeah. Yes, Mayuri.
Yeah, yeah. My name is
Yes,
Mayuri. I'm from Telangana,
yes.
Hyderabad. Yeah, I'm being in law since 2007, and mostly I'll deal with all matrimonial matters only. Since 18 years, I'm being in this course. So recently, I have found your website in the WhatsApp. So I thought of joining as I required a certificate. As you mentioned that there is a certificate. It's a certificate course.
Yes.
Nice to join. Yeah. Let's hope
Thank,
for the best.
thank you so much, ma'am. I believe that when the course will end, so it will not be just for the mere certificate. You'll also, I believe that since you yourself has been in that domain area, so you might have knowledge about the same. But again, you will at least enhance your skill set for that matter. So thank you for joining
Thank
us.
you. Thank you.
Thank you
All
so
right.
much. Praneeth Kumar Parayel.
Hey, just give me a minute.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Hey everyone, good evening. I'm Praneeth. I'm from Bangalore. I have close to 2 decades of work experience in information technology, and now I am pursuing LLB, the 3-year LLB with Dayanand Sagar University, Bangalore. So your course content was interesting. As you must be knowing that the first year LLB, the first sem, already have this Hindu law and the succession and stuff, right? So I thought this might add value, and also long term, my vision is I want to um, improve my skill in the family law and the property related. So I felt this course should definitely enhance my skills, and I also believe, like Mayuri ma'am said, the certificate that also will definitely add value. So I was looking for from that perspective as well. So looking forward for it.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much.
Radhe Dharkar.
Good evening, everyone.
Good
Am I
evening.
audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yeah, myself, Advocate Radhe Dharkar. I completed my BCom LLB from Mumbai University and practicing in District Court, Nagpur. My reason is to join this course that to get more info about family laws to solve family matters. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you so
I
much,
hope
ma'am, for joining the course. Actually, we were in look of someone who is actually practicing it. So whenever there is a
Okay.
discourse on any practical scenario, I believe that we'll get to know some insights from you also, ma'am. So thank
Yes,
you for
yes,
joining
yes,
the course.
sure. Yeah, yeah, sir.
All
Thank
right.
you.
All right.
thank you, ma'am. Rajesh Mehra. Rajesh Mehra. Rajesh 0192. Please change your name with your real name. Okay. Rajesh 0192. Sachin Kumar.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
good evening, everyone. Myself,
Good evening,
Sachin,
sir.
myself, Sachin Mathur from Chandigarh. Basically, I completed my all education in different stream from Punjab University, Chandigarh. First of all, I completed my chemistry honors, BSc honors in chemistry, then diploma in forensic science and criminology. After that, postgraduate diploma in human right and duty, then MBA in IT. After that, completed master in public administration and qualified UGC net also. Then master in political science and qualified UGC net also. And after that, I completed my LLB from Kurukshetra University, Haryana. And after that, LLM from KUK also. And have an experience of 3 and 4 year of as a assistant professor in Government College Chandigarh. And right now, I'm giving coaching to the UPSC student. And my basic area of teaching is the history and Indian polity. So I joined this course. Basically, I'm scrolling on the WhatsApp. I seen your advertisement there, and basically it appeared to be very uh, attractive. And you are imparting knowledge in various discipline and also providing certificate also. So I consider it's will be beneficial for me to join with the law subject also, so that I will be in touch with my law subject, so that I can enhance the knowledge of the UPSC aspirants. Because most of the time whenever I deliver lectures to the student, basically so many case laws came in front of we people, so that student can understand. So thank you, all of you. Thanks very much.
No, sir.
Thank you,
Pleasure
Sachin,
is
sir.
all ours.
I think
And
that you yourself
for
is
joining this certificate course. Hope we parents.
definitely, even I feel that you are such a personality to whom actually other person can aspire to become. So you have a very ambidextrous, multidisciplinary area of approach. in regards to your academics and other perspective also. So we are really honored to have you with us, sir. I hope in the discourse also we are going to get something uh, interesting to come out from you also, sir. So thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Shashank Shasha.
नमस्कार सभी को। मेरा नाम शशांक साशा है और मैं दिल्ली से हूँ। ये कोर्स मैंने इसलिए ज्वाइन किया है क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा इनसाइट्स जानना चाह रहा था हिंदू लॉ के और डाइवोर्स के डिसीजन के। तो बेसिकली आई एम डूइंग माई मास्टर्स। तो हालांकि मेरा दूर से दूर तक लॉ से कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, बट स्टिल थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट मेरा जो है वो अब लॉ की तरफ ज़्यादा बढ़ रहा है। तो दैट्स वाई ये मैंने सोचा कि मैं इस कोर्स से शुरुआत करता हूँ, शायद इंटरेस्ट मेरा और ज़्यादा बढ़े, सो दैट आई विल जॉइन लॉ इन फ्यूचर। दैट्स वाई। थैंक यू।
वो आपको मिल पाए, एटलीस्ट डोमेन नॉलेज तो बढ़ जाएगा, कुछ नहीं होगा। So thank you for joining the course.
Thank you, sir. Shekhar Devashish. Shekhar Devashish.
Am I audible? Hello.
Yeah, yes, you are audible. Yes.
Yeah. Good evening to all. Actually, I'm Shekhar Devashish, and I come from the town called Samastipur. It's in the state of Bihar, and I have completed my bachelor degree in computer applications. I did this in 2015, and then I did LLB from Samastipur College here in my hometown. And then after that, I worked in organizations like Wipro Technology, British Telecom, and IBM in my capacity as an engineer. And then after that, I have just started my LLM few months back from MIT University, Kolkata. So the reason why I've joined this course is because most of the queries that I receive nowadays is not regarding the corporate, is not regarding the constitutional things that's going on. It's regarding the divorce. Most of the queries are related to that. And though I have studied the subject well, still I want a refresher, and there should be a platform, of course, for this purpose. Hence, I'm here. So I really look forward to the journey and look forward to the information that I'm going to get. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We look up to see forward you as well, sir.
Harsh, I would just like to interject. I'm so sorry. Thank you, Shekhar sir, for joining the course.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I was just saying that I just have to leave this particular session because I have to get out of the train. I'm just my station is going to come. So I'm so sorry, but I believe that you will continue the orientation session, and please let me know or brief me about the same. And all the best, everyone. Please keep learning.
Thank you so much. Kaushal sir, you can take over. I think we have covered everyone's introduction. Something you can. Yeah. Over to you, sir.
So actually there is a power cut in my hostel, so I am not able to share my video. So pardon for that. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible.
So will you allow me to share my screen?
Yes, sir. I have allowed you. You can.
Before going to start the course, I want to introduce you the basics of the Hindu law, or the Hindu law and the family law. Family law is basically related with the issues regarding the family, and all the issues revolves around the family. So, as we know that the family is the basic unit of every society. So, we will all are part of that family. So either it may be a Hindu family, Muslim family, Jain family, Sikh family. So So all these are comes under the purview of family law. So family law basically relates to the issues regarding family, which are marriage, and marriage. After marriage, what happens is the very continuous aspect is the divorce.
Sir, your screen is not visible.
What?
If you have you shared the screen?
I am trying to this. So give me a time, a moment for that.
Okay, 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 no problem.
I am finding this. So Harsh, am I my screen is over there or not?
Yes, sir, yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay, okay. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir, you are audible. Yes, sir.
So right now I am just giving a oral account of that family law introduction because there is some technical problem on my part on sharing the screen. So am I audible to all?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes.
Please
So
continue.
we are discussing about the
Yes,
family.
yes, sir.
So my point is the family, the genesis of family. We have to understand the genesis of family. So how family starts in the society. So when there was no law regarding family, so how it will run and functions. So basically there are we have to know that there are initial society where there is no law. When there was no law, there was dispute over there, and in order to make that society in a order, we have introduced laws, and these laws are called family laws, and there is source for them, which from which we get these laws. So for Hindu laws, there are sources which we dis, uh, divided into sectors, which are one is the Smritis and the Shrutis. The Shrutis are the basically the Vedas. So Vedas, we have four Vedas which describe various aspects of our Hindu family law systems. So first one is Rig Veda. Rig Veda basically talks about the emergence of this universe or the divine, or we can say that the cosmos. So after that, there is a Yajurveda, Samveda, Atharveda. So also our sources comes from these basic texts. After them, there are certain Upanishads which will also deals with this family law regarding. After that, we have schools of Hindu law, which are Mitakshara school and the Dayabhaga school. And we will deal with this in a very detailed in the regular classes. So first of all, I will say that it is the basic introduction of ancient sources of the Hindu law. After that, during the this colonial period, we have codified our laws regarding family law, which deals with this. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
You're
You,
audible.
you are
Yeah,
audible.
you're audible.
You're audible, sir.
I am audible. So are you getting my point? The basics of the family law.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So here we will start the family law, how the family law or family law system established in the society. So we know that when there is a union of two people comes together, which is called the marriage. So first institution developed by in the family law system is the marriage. After marriage, we see that there is the when the marriage runs and over the period their dispute arises, and these disputes when not resolved at a particular time, then it uh, turns into a separation, which we call the divorce. So divorce comes after marriage, and there are laws which will deal with these divorce issues. After divorce, what happened in the subsequent stage, that is child. So for the child, there are provisions
Sorry
regarding
to
the,
interrupt you, sir.
yes, yes.
Uh, eh, if anyone has any doubts or queries, just wait for a while. Then sir will finish. He can attend to the doubts.
So if everybody is comfortable, can we like take the session in Hindi, अगर possible हुआ तो?
It's comfort. I'm comfortable with it. No problem.
Hello.
It's up to sir if he, sir. Some of the students are for saying for Hindi, and if you are comfortable to do so,
Okay,
you
okay,
can.
okay. So बेसिकली अभी तक मैंने जो बताया था वो सोर्सेज के बारे में बताया था, और जो फैमिली लॉ का इंस्टीट्यूशन है सोसाइटी में, उसका कंसेप्शन कैसे हुआ है, किस लिए हुआ है, उसका पर्पस बताया था। तो उसका पर्पस ये था कि जो फैमिली है वहाँ पर बहुत सारे लोग थे, जब लॉ नहीं था तो वो अपने आप को कैसे ऑर्डर में लाए, शादी करें कैसे करें, और जो शादी से रिगार्डिंग जो हमारे डिस्प्यूट अराइज होंगे वो कैसे रिजॉल्व होंगे। तो उन सबको रिजॉल्व करने के लिए हमने फैमिली लॉ कंस्टिट्यूट किया, लीगल उसको एक लीगल फ्रेम दिया है। अब उसमें मैरिज आता है, तो मैरिज के रिगार्डिंग लॉज है जो हम नेक्स्ट क्लासेस में पढ़ेंगे। फिर मैरिज के बाद में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आता है आपका डाइवोर्स। जब लोगों के बीच में शादी अच्छे से फंक्शन नहीं करती है तो फिर वो डाइवोर्स में कन्वर्ट होती है। अब डाइवोर्स हो जाता है, उसके बाद में फिर हमारे शादी के बाद में नेक्स्ट जनरेशन आती है, उसमें हमारे बच्चे होते हैं, चिल्ड्रन होते हैं, तो उनके राइट्स के लिए वो अलग लॉज हैं जिससे हम गार्जियनशिप एंड गार्जियनशिप एक्ट में डील करते हैं। जब गार्जियनशिप एक्ट के बाद बच्चे बड़े होते हैं और जो हमारे फोर फादर्स या फादर्स होते हैं उनका जब डेथ होता है तो नेक्स्ट जो राइट्स राइज होते हैं वो रिगार्डिंग सक्सेशन होते हैं जो प्रॉपर्टी से डील करते हैं। तो हमारा जो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक होता है वो सक्सेशन का होता है। हेलो, आर यू
Yes,
गेटिंग
sir.
माय पॉइंट? प्लीज एनी पार्टिसिपेंट प्लीज टेल मी। Hello.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, it's all clear. It's all clear.
Okay, okay. So now after succession, there are issues regarding the maintenance and adoption. So there is another act which deals with these provisions of maintenance and adoption. And after that, we will deal with the same aspects of the Muslims. Muslims also have the same marriage related issues, but their manner of dealing with these issues are some different. So we will deal with them differently. So this is the actual framework of family law. First, start with the family. Family is formed by the marriage basically. So there is marriage. After marriage we will deal with the divorce. After divorce we will deal with the custody and guardianship of the children. After that we will deal with the succession. is the property, how the property develop upon the hairs of the deceased person. After that, it uh, uh, it is the stage of maintenance. If there is some issues in the marriage, then or the family, then the issues of maintenance and adoption arises. When the marriage there is no child, then the purpose of marriage is somehow defeated, so they will go for the adoption. So these adoption issues, topics is there. After that, we will maintenance. We will deal with the maintenance. Then there are certain issues between the husband and wife, the children and father. So they are actually claim for the maintenance. So how the maintenance will claim and will give provided their conditions. All these aspects we will deal with in details. The same similar issues arises in the other personal laws like family law. Sorry, Muslim law, there is also the same kind of issues. So we will deal them in the upcoming classes. So this is the basic of principles of the family law classes. So thank you. Hello.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for giving us this knowledge and sharing it with all of us. And
Any, so any
yes, sir.
participant
Please.
have any special questions regarding
Yes.
this course, so please ask me.
Yes. If any participant has any queries, you can now ask and clear your doubts. Yeah. Go ahead.
So is there any participant who have any inquiry regarding this?
So I just want to ask, because like I'm studying, I'm in my first year law school. So like, what books can I refer? Because in the first 2 years, we're not taught about law, but political science, sociology, and everything.
So
So
for the first year student, I will suggest first read the family institution in your sociology classes. So
okay, sir.
sociology class, there is a topic family institution. So you will go through that, so understand the basics of family and the purpose of family, or all these things, nature of family. And after that, you just read the Bare Act. After having classes or before the classes, you may refer the Bare Act of Hindu laws. And there are many books available in your library. So just go for any book. It will be
So,
good.
so, like, can we just not start with family law as a subject? Like, can you just suggest one reading or like reading of some good author so we can refer through it with the Bear Act?
So basically, what happens? Every author is uh, telling about the family, the basics elements of the family law comes from the Hindu Marriage Act, or all the Hindu Marriage Act, Hindu Success Act. So there is commentaries by the authors on these basic laws. So you can prefer anyone because the
Okay,
basic.
sir.
I refer Paras Diwan, modern Hindu law.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
believe that.
If it is available to you, then you may go for with.
Yeah, yeah.
Very good book.
Could you
And
repeat the
my
name?
Paras Diwan, Paras, Paras Diwan, Diwan, modern Hindu law.
Actually, the basics
Okay.
of this law is the Bare Acts. All these books are the just commentaries of that these laws. So you may prefer any author for that. Which will you prefer? You will get it is easier to understand.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
So I guess the concern is, because unless we know the foundation, like, what is a Hindu, because Barak will not give in depth. So I guess that's the concern we have.
Can you repeat?
Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, you're
I'm
audible.
saying the concern is, because I know I do agree Barracks gives the information, but as somebody for us who is new, Barracks is the legal language is quite hard to understand. So
So
that's why,
you, yeah, yeah. So you may go for the books The basic books.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Yes, Paras Diwan is good for you. So any book you can prefer any book. All books are basically the
Anyone
commentaries of
else
these
has any
variants.
doubts? Please unmute yourself and ask.
So Harsh, have you prepared material for this course?
No, sir. We haven't as such. Basically, this was going to be an introductory session.
Okay, I will arrange some Hindu law notes in the upcoming classes, and I will share with you. You may go with that.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Yeah.
Yes, so that'll be very helpful.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
I would like to ask a question here. Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah. Just
yes, sir.
Yeah, just a simple query. Would the act like DV Act be covered as well in this course, like Domestic Violence Act? And the second question is, there are certain offences that takes the nature of criminal act in offences within the family. So would we be covering all those aspects as well, like 498A and all? Just wanted to get an idea. Would that things be covered as well? DV Act and then the certain sections from IPC that relates to the offense within the family.
It is also the related issues with the family, so we will deal with that.
Okay.
Anything related to family law, we are trying to cover it as much as we can cover.
Yeah, because most of the queries that we receive are related to that only, cases in that regard. That's the reason I asked.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay.
I have a question to ask.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
In this
Go
in the
ahead.
schedule that you've provided, there's something called workspace. What do you mean by workspace?
Yes, ma'am. You can say now. You are audible.
Yeah. My question was, in the schedule, there is something called workspace. On some of the days, you have something called workspace. What do you mean by workspace?
No, ma'am. It's nothing like such that. Basically, you only focus on the lectures. Workspace is like a space between the lectures. It's nothing related to the course.
Are we supposed to be, working on something and,
Yes, ma'am. I will tell you. I will tell you at the end of the session.
Okay.
And, yes.
Okay, great. Okay.
I will tell you at the end of the session. If sir has something to say, we'll just wait for it. Yes, sir. If anybody has any other doubts.
I think there is no doubt for anyone right now.
If none, can we leave the meeting?
No, wait for a few minutes. First, if I think nobody has any doubts, and okay, so there are certain guidelines that will be following as we go through the sessions and we go through the course. First, you will all be getting assignments, and you will have to submit those assignments given by the faculty on time. And there will be assignments based on lectures and the course itself. And yes, there you can also write a research article as well if you want to. We'll be providing the topics for that, and you have to make sure that you try to send the assignments on the deadline, which is already been given in the timeline. As I think, yeah, it has been provided by in the timeline itself. And I will request you sincerely to just join the each session. Be present in each sessions. Make sure you have 100% attendance, and rest assured we will have a very good session if we join on time. And please, those who have not corrected their names in the next session, please correct their names as well. So it will be better for communication and networking. It's just that all.
So, as there is an
if some-
inquiry, if there is an inquiry in the message box by Shekhar Devasis, please, have you any idea about that?
Yeah, sir.
There is a message from Shekhar Devasis. He is asking, would we have the opportunity to get our research paper published? So please answer them.
Yeah, I told that we'll be giving the article topics, and you can write research papers, and if we
Excuse me, sir. My question is about.
that is, yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir. My question is about research paper. You mentioned about submission of research paper. So I want to ask, either you will publish this research paper in UGC care list or not?
No, sir, not currently. We will be publishing it on the website.
Okay.
Anybody has any doubts regarding the publication, you can contact me anytime. I can see there are lots of participants who want to know about
There's
this.
one another query.
Sir,
There's just one another query in addition to what I asked in the group. Would we be able to send the research paper only after the completion of the course, or you are going to accept it in middle of the course as well? Like if the research paper is ready, so can we send it any day to you?
Yeah. You can send. And basically, we have a timeline. We have a deadline. So to do before that. So you will be getting assignments by sir. And if you have any queries regarding that, you can contact me. You have my contact. And yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So, sir, if you have anything, if then we can conclude the session.
So actually, today it was a class of introduction. I have introduced the whole of the family law
Okay.
topics.
So thank you so
So
much, sir,
in the
for
next
your
class,
knowledge, sharing your knowledge. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And thank you, everyone, joining this session. And if you have any queries regarding the publication or the timeline or anything related to the course, please contact me, and don't hesitate to reach me out. Okay. We'll see you in the next session. Hope you learn new things, and we also learn things from you. And
Good. Thank you so much.
yeah, we'll conclude this session. Thank you all.
Thank you so much.